Hey everyone, meteorologist Isaac Cleland here in the Storm Tracker 12 Weather Center. I want to give you the latest here on Hurricane Helene. As of 11 o'clock this morning, Helene strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane. Still moving to the north-northwest here at 10 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds are up to 80 miles per hour. You can watch this loop over the past 3 hours between 9 a.m. and noon, showing that she strengthened from a tropical storm into a hurricane. We do have hurricane warnings in place for kind of this lighter red shading area in through here, parts of the Florida Big Bend and into the eastern panhandle. Also tropical storm warnings for the remainder of the Florida peninsula. This storm is going to be so large that there will be impacts well outside of the center of the storm. Further off to the north, tropical storm watches in place for all of central and northern Georgia, much of western South Carolina, and even extending northward into western North Carolina as well. Now, the thinking here is that the maximum winds at the point that this storm becomes the strongest will be between 120 and 140 miles per hour. That would put it in a high-end Category 3, low-end Category 4 category storm there. And as we check out the latest forecast, favoring by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning to have either high-end Category 2 or low-end Category 3 storm in this case. And with it being a Category 3 or Category 4, definitely a major hurricane here, as anything greater than Category 3 is a major hurricane. You can see landfall being timed out for tomorrow evening, and then still over Georgia, it's a Category 1 hurricane at 2 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning. And that's why the tropical storm watches extend all the way through the entire state of Georgia now, because of how fast this ramps up, the size of which that it grows to, and how fast it moves inland. Those gusty winds, those tropical storm force winds, can expand very far inland. The most likely location for it to make landfall at this point is between Horseshoe Beach and St. Mark's, also Perry, a nearby city there. Watch the rainfall tracker here as things move forward. Very heavy rains, some flooding rains, very significant, moving north through Georgia. That's why we have in the red here significant flash flooding, even some extreme flash flooding for parts of northeastern Georgia into western North Carolina as well. And as we look at the wind potential out of this, hurricane force winds, watch Cedar Key here coming in at greater than 100 mile per hour sustained winds. And then you can actually see the eye of the storm right here after it makes landfall, advancing northward with time. Savannah, Augusta, 30, 40 mile per hour sustained winds. You factor in the gusts, they could be 60, 70 miles per hour. And that's why, again, the tropical storm watches extend all the way northward through the entire state of Georgia and into western South Carolina as well. There's also going to be tornado potential with this, with landfall occurring right in through here, the Big Bend of Florida, eastern panhandle vicinity. It's on the northeastern quadrant of the storm. That's where the tornado potential will be the greatest there, especially across southeastern Georgia. We zoom in now and take a look locally. The showers that we've seen this morning and the thick clouds will move out. We'll eventually see some sunshine by this evening. That'll give way to mostly clear skies as we work our way through tonight, setting the stage for a mostly sunny Thursday. By Friday, we'll see some high clouds drifting in from the south. Those will be associated with the remnants of Hurricane Helene at that time. They should be pretty thin though, so we'll still manage to see some sunshine, at least of the filtered variety, on Friday afternoon. Highs for the rest of the afternoon top out between 70 and 75. Tonight it's upper 40s to low 50s as the skies clear out. And for tomorrow, with mostly sunny skies, a northeast wind between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Highs look very nice in the mid-70s. We extend the forecast out then. Partly sunny Friday and Saturday. Slight chance of a shower on Sunday and a few showers possible there on Monday. Our rain chances here on Sunday and Monday are going to depend on the positioning of where the remnants go from Hurricane Helene. Tuesday's rain chance, that comes with a morning cold front that moves through. So if I could extend this forecast out to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, mid to late next week in the 7 to 10 day time frame, I think we'll have highs in the 60s as some cooler air will be moving in to begin the month of October.